Good morning, guys. You don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, what of them? We're not gonna say nothing else. Welcome, guys. I haven't seen you guys in a long time. I have some clippings from like last year Thanksgiving coming up. I probably just insert them so you guys can see them. But today is a new day, and I'm gonna vlog today. So today I'm running a little bit of errands now on the road. I did one of them already. I'm gonna link up with my man and then do some business, and then I'm just gonna bring you along for the day. My days are generally hectic now, way more than before, but I'm gonna try to capture some stuff. So I'm gonna drive to a location about maybe 45 minutes drive from here where I'm at now, and then check in back with you guys. Big up on the
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. How do I get out of this place? Oh, that light. It's a beautiful day in Florida, I must say. Climate here, good for my skin. Let me sit right here and just take in the beautiful sunlight, because Florida kind of cool right now. I'm kind of like it. So it's around 3:30 in the day right now. I've been on the road from morning, try to go to the bank, moving around and stuff. And yeah, I'm kind of chill and relax right now. Kind of feel tired. I don't want to be up and down all day, like doing stuff. I'm just chilling and relaxing right now. Mom and I, we go to New York on Monday. You guys will be seeing this vlog after. It's a continuation of the hotel vlog. I must say that hotel that I went to in Jamaica, Royalton Hideaway, very nice. That's the nicest hotel. That is the nicest hotel I've been to. Let me do this. That is the nicest hotel I've been to, and I love the scenery, the aesthetics of the place, the luxury. It's just nice. The food is great. I really love that hotel, and I'll definitely be going back. It's the best hotel I've been to since I've been going to hotels. I really like it. I want to live at Royalton Hideaway. Yeah, but for right now today, we're chilling right now. We're going bowling later on today. So I probably get to capture that on camera. I notice I'm really lazy when it comes to camera work, but I'm trying to do better now because I miss you guys so much. Um, so we'll probably do bowling today, which is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. We're gonna cook. And so tomorrow, and then Monday morning I go to New York. We gotta go get a jacket. I have to go up to Burlington and get one jacket, because me say there's snow on New York there and day things. But that's what I'm doing now. I'm just chilling and enjoying my time here. We've been to Florida how much time now, guys? Maybe like 3 or 4 times already. And this would be our second time in New York. We're actually gonna stay in New York this time. This is our first time staying in New York. So that should be good. We're going to try to catch the Thanksgiving parade. So I'll probably catch that too if I'm not too poor with picking up the camera. But big up on a damn clean self and be things. I'll see you guys on the next clip. But I try catch up you guys and put on the mic. I'm trying to like catch you guys somewhere, but it's not working out. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy a thing for the car that holds the phone so I can drive and talk to you guys. But I'm gonna try catching up, but it's not gonna work out. But yeah, I'm good. Everything good. I know that a lot of you guys see me on TikTok with my other businesses. You can check them out. Dinner on the Beach JA, True Life Tours JA. That's where I'm at most of my days doing work stuff, if you understand. So yeah, I'm gonna drive now and then check back in. I don't know. Hey guys, what's up? Um, Today is what? Today is November 24th. Heading to New York tomorrow. We're gonna do the whole Thanksgiving there. Yeah, my day over here a little bit now, and my skin is breaking out, and I don't know what to do. I don't know if I water or what, but something not agree with my skin over here, so. So, not look too bad, but my skin a break out. I never have no bump. So, I run go down to the mall now. I need one Crocs. I need one closed shoes because when I go to New York, it's actually snowing there. So, I gotta keep my foot warm. You know, 10 tour in one. After me, I come up now. And say I'm going to take off my shoes to go through the machine. And the machine where you have to go through when you're in Jamaica, have to go up to the actual waiting area for the plane. Me they take off my shoes. When me go start take off the shoes, and the shoes bottom that me say drop off. Me I say, oh, what is man? Because me know wear shoes in so long, it's dry rotten. So I'm going to get one nice sneakers to keep my foot warm. So I'm going to do that now because I left early in the morning, like 5 o'clock. We reach there like 9. So we just have to prepare ourselves for that now. And that's what's going on today. I miss my baby. My two baby names. Baby Rose and Daddy Rose. You see me? Yes, so I'll see you guys later. Or if not, I'll see you guys in the airport tomorrow. Alright. So I finally got a spot to like catch you guys up a bit. And right now we are at the Dolphin Cove in Hanover. There are two locations of the Dolphin Cove. There is one in Hanover, which is the newer one, and then you have one in Ocherous, which is the more senior one. At Dolphin Cove, you get to interact with like dolphins, stingray, um, snakes, and stuff like that. So it's a good interaction tour. What I do is make sure that you have, as guests coming here, you have a smooth transition. Your experience is great. I make sure you're good. That is what I do. But from the clip before, you would have seen where I went on vacation. This was all the way in like November of last year. And the exciting thing about that trip is I traveled with mom for the first time. My mom works very, very hard, so it was a great feeling to have her travel and relax and just, unwind a bit. So that was a good experience. You will be seeing more clips from vacation of last year to Thanksgiving and stuff like that coming up after this. After I leave here, after I situate things here, I think I'm going to visit my dad, which is not far from here, and my other mom, which they live close by here. So people from long time who watch my vlogs and know when I used to live by my dad's house will know the area. So that's what I will be doing next. Good morning, guys. It is so early. It's around, hold on there. It's around 5:30. We woke up very early this morning to get here. Our flight leaves at 6:48. I'll try to grab something to eat before we go. We're heading to New York. We're very, very tired. We want some sleep. You know, someone something I crush up. Alright. What is it? Hi guys. Yeah, I did. I'm gonna set them right there. Alright. So we're gonna grab something to eat and then basically wait on our flight. We will reach there at 9:50. So I'm definitely gonna sleep on the plane. I'm tired. Move around this go on easy, bro, like our things. So that's a go on what a go on. Hunger kill me guys, so there, I get something to eat, and then we're about to board. Tell me why we went to the wrong gate just now. Well, not the wrong gate, wrong way. We got lost a little bit. We had to take the train to come over here. Mommy get these stuff. Eh? Soon. We had to take the train. Guys, my face is breaking out. After I go back to Jamaica, I'm not drink no more soda. I take up my weight loss thing serious because I've gained so much weight and the soda mash up my skin. Like I don't have any other um, reasons why my skin is breaking out. So drink too much soda and something. It's gonna get something to eat now. Ooh, that sunlight though. So guys, I know that I said that I would come back yesterday after we landed, but I didn't get to come back because it was so hectic and I was really, really busy. Then I got tired because I must have wake up from about 4 o'clock. Um, I woke up from about 4 the morning and got ready to get to the airport. Like it was so hectic, and then now in New York there was a lot of traffic. Like in a city, them I work on JFK, so there was a lot of traffic and baitings. So, but just I check back in, we don't know now. We're gonna touch a mall. We're gonna go by the mall and go browse around a bit, and then yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna check in with them. Watch a big old bump here. Bump them not too bad still, but for it not look like a grade my skin here one. So that way I don't know. I'll do an outfit check. Outfit check. Outfit check. Yeah, at times I got on. It's cold, but it's not that cold today. That's good. When we not snow, we not snow 2 days ago. So I'm glad to know snow not fall now. Can be easy to get sick. Up to this morning, I feel kind of sick, but me I go on. So guys, we're at the mall right now. Mommy over this so. I don't really have a lot of storage on this device. Probably have to go upgrade my phone to get more storage. I'm sick and tired. I'd say go cut off basically. Just move around the little shopping and stuff. And this is where we end the vlog. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section box below. And big up on yourself until next time. I'm your girl Melica Skylife. I'm out. We're running out of time. Let's talk about love. Okay guys, I am currently at the Waterfront Restaurant and Bar. That is it's in Hanover just the same. After you pass Sandy Bay and come down in a corner. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the water here. A lot of the boats, when there's like hurricanes coming and stuff like that, a lot of the boats would come to dock here because the water always keeps calm. We got fried chicken with curry goat gravy. So this is the view. And I can't see good. Lighting one adjust. This is the view. So I'm eat the food and then be on my way back to Montego Bay. Hi guys. I don't really have a lot of storage on the phone. That's what I realized. I need to try and fix that. But today is November 27th, the day before Thanksgiving. Never really celebrated Thanksgiving. It's not a thing in Jamaica, but it is a big thing here in America. So tomorrow I have a big celebration I had here. And, it's good to come to a household that, you have Jamaicans, they all get authentic food, rice and peas and chicken, this, that, rete, curry this, oxtail that. Yeah. So just to talk a little bit about my trip, I am just so excited to travel with my mom for the first time. As you guys know, I've always been traveling alone. Put the mic on. I've always been traveling alone, or I travel with Ocean, and for the most part, I travel alone. So to have my mom come here for the first time, taking her around and doing things with her, that's a good thing. One you find? Look, sardine. But you have to do more than one. Or it can be. Fine. I want to cook some food. I don't know. What is it? My eyes them ever out of work pan videos, you know. But yeah, that yeah, do go and chill and relax. I must say I've been working so hard. You guys haven't been seeing me because I've been working so hard, day and night. I'm an accountant by day, and then I have my businesses to run. So I don't really get a lot of rest. I have the baby, me a man, dating. So it's a lot of work. So to come here and to just relax, it's a good thing for me. I know that when I get back home, it's back into work mode. But things can only get better. I know that you guys have seen me growing over the years on YouTube. I have been MIA, but it's because I've been so busy, just balancing my new life. One of my goals, let's talk about the goals for the new year. Not only for the new year, but when I go back home, I really want to start back my weight loss journey. I want to take off like 20 pounds. I'm going to be intentional about it this time. A lot of times before now, I say I want to try to take off weight, but me really I gotta be intentional because I've done it before and I can do it again. Cut off the soda, junk food, and stuff like that. And just prioritizing myself, my mental health, and just putting me first. One of the things that can happen to you when you become a mom and you have a family is that you put your family first and everything else first, and then forget about yourself, put yourself last. And I want to prioritize myself for the new year, my goals, my dreams, self care, and everything. And one of my main goals is my fitness. Once you're fit and once you can develop discipline in eating clean and working out, you find that a lot of other areas of your life will become better. I don't think we're going on the road today because we're kind of just preparing for tomorrow here, and probably not until Friday before we go back on the road. And I'm not sure if I get to check in with you guys. But what I'll do, I'll start this clip as a new vlog, and then if I go on the road, you'll see that. I really want to take mom to Times Square on Saturday. Today's Wednesday. On Saturday, we think we're going to Times Square, just to have her see that and, have that experience. I've been there before, and you guys came along with me on the vlog. So go and pick up on yourself, and this is me checking in with you guys. The weather is cold, but it's manageable. It's like AC really turn up. I really, really like it. Yeah, so that's what we're doing now. So people, it's actually raining cats and dogs right now. Let me wipe off here. It's raining so hard. I gotta pull over a little bit. I think this is where I end the vlog for today. I look a little bit blurry. I think this is where I end the vlog for today. Thank you guys for stopping by. I do still have a lot of things ahead of me to complete. I don't think I'll be able to vlog that. My phone is giving me issues. Make this sound nice, so sure. Yeah, I'm having some issues with my phone. I gotta go change my phone, and then I have work later on tonight on the beach. Well, it's raining now, so probably don't have any work. When it rains, I don't get to do my dinners. But with that being said, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're done with your girl Melica Skylife in the building. I want the damn